In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Submit button after a click in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're looking to streamline your data collection process or simply ensure respondents don't submit multiple entries, this guide will walk you through the steps to effectively manage your form submissions. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser. Microsoft Forms is a versatile tool that's easy to access online, so you can do this from any device. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Forms and hit Enter. This search will direct you to the official Microsoft Forms page, where you'll be able to start managing your forms. Once you're on the Microsoft Forms homepage, the next step is to sign in. Use your Microsoft account credentials to log in. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken directly to the Forms dashboard, which neatly organizes all your existing forms for easy access. Now, locate the form for which you want to disable the Submit button and click on it to open it. Microsoft Forms presents a clean and intuitive interface, making it straightforward to navigate and access the settings you need. If your form list is extensive, make use of the search feature to expedite the process. With your form open, we'll focus on removing the option to submit another response. Locate the three dots in the top right corner of the page. This menu is your access point to additional settings and features within Microsoft Forms. Click on the three dots, then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. Within the Settings panel, you'll find an area labeled Options for Responses. Here, you want to ensure that the box for Hide Submit Another Response is checked. By doing so, you effectively remove the option for respondents to initiate a new submission after completing their initial one. This feature is particularly useful for single-entry surveys where repeat entries might skew your data. Next, let's explore how to stop accepting responses entirely should you choose to close the form to any future submissions. You start this process in the same way as before, by opening the form you want to control in Microsoft Forms. Once again, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings to reopen that crucial panel. In the Options for Responses section, uncheck the box labeled Accept Responses. Disabling this option will close the form and prevent any additional submissions, ensuring that your dataset remains exactly as it is. And there you have it. Those are the steps to disable the Submit button after it's clicked in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're heightening control over your form's responses or ensuring data integrity, these settings empower you to tailor your forms to meet your specific needs. Remember, managing submissions effectively is key to gathering accurate and useful data. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.